Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Doro Wat. So let's cook. So here I have about 6 leg quarters that I went ahead and cut into pieces. Now what you want to do is take a knife and go through and poke holes in it, and you want to do this so that the flavors will penetrate your chicken while it's cooking. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and set this chicken off to the side. So here I have about 5 onions that I thinly chopped, and you want your pieces to be small like this. Now you want to take your onions and put it in the pan with no oil, and you're going to cook that on medium heat for about an hour to an hour and 30 minutes. And you want to go in every so often and give it a stir to make sure that your onions aren't burning. You want your onions to become a dark brown. While you're cooking your onions down, you want to get a 2-inch knob of garlic, and you want to get 8 garlic cloves, and you want to puree this up in your food processor. If you need to, you can add a little bit of oil to get the process going if it's not mixing up well enough. When you're done, you should be left with a paste that looks like this. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a mortar, or you can also use a grater. Now that our onions are nice and caramelized, we're just going to go ahead and add in our ginger and garlic mixture, and we're going to mix that up. And you're just going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you want to add in 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, a 1/3 cup of berbere, and this is the berbere that I'm using. I'm going to put that whole pack in there. And you want to put in 1/4 of a cup of Ethiopian ghee, and this is the ghee that I'm using. And you want to mix that up. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water in, just to loosen everything up. So you're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. Now that it's been about 5 minutes, just going to go ahead and add our chicken pieces in. Now I'm just going to cover this with about a cup of water. Make sure all my chicken is covered. And you want to just put salt to taste. I'm going to start out with that, because you know when you add salt to things that are boiling down, the salt tends to get a little bit saltier. So I'm not going to go really heavy on the salt until this is just about done. Now I'm going to cover this up and let this stew down for about an hour until our chicken is totally done. So our chicken has been stewing for about an hour. And you can see everything is nice and thick now. And our chicken is done. I have some mekelesha seasoning, and you can just add as much as you like. It's it kind of tastes like 5 spice seasoning. So you can just add in as much or as little as you want. I also have 6 boiled eggs here. And I'm going to take the eggs And I'm gonna poke little holes in them like this and stick it into my chicken. And you just want to poke holes in your eggs so that that flavor can get inside of your eggs. I'm just gonna mix that up in there like this. Now that I have my eggs mixed up in here, I'm just gonna cover this back and let it cook for about 5 more minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 more minutes and our Doro Wat is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up so you guys can see what it looks like. So here is our Doro Wat all plated up. And all you need is some nice injera to pair along with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.